some drums that you can use during the performance. Kasi in improv, the audience is always involved. Kung wala kayo, walang show sa improv. So, we have two fantastic sets of performances this afternoon. Our first group brings immersive percussion experiences that ignite connection, creativity, and shared energy through rhythm. Please welcome, everyone, please welcome Drum Circle PH.
1, 2, 3, and... Ibang skalahan to. Hindi mo tayo na. Out of school yun.
25, and...
And 1. And 1.
And 65!
Yung iba eh, 1,000, 1,000, 25. And 1. And 1. This time, couple the two improvise, okay? Stress na stress. Thank you so much from Servo PH! Reminder, hindi po yung souvenir, baka iuwi niyo ha. Thank you.
Yes, and also this group is very close to my heart because it's the group that I'm also a part of. Everyone, please welcome on stage Housekeeping Improv!
Welcome everybody to our PR night. We are Housekeeping Improv! Are you ready to see a little bit more improv? I love this energy. Well, we are going to start with a warm-up because again, as Ansis mentioned, kung wala kaming maririnig from you, wala kaming magagawa sa stage. And dahil nandito kayo for 30 minutes more, we will need your attention for this one. So, to warm up, let's ask a question. Anong kinain niyo for breakfast today?
Omelette.
Omelette. Longganisa tapa. Ano ba? Hotdog, adobo, right?
I heard
Ano?
chicken.
You heard chicken. Since kaka-Valentine's Day lang, anong ginawa niyo for Valentine's Day? Matulog! Kumain!
Hotdog pa rin lang.
Umiyak! Alright.
Hotdog pa rin.
Hotdog pa rin. Amazing. Well, folks, we will need more of your suggestions, so just please shout them out and we will use that to inspire our scenes or games for later. So to warm us up, we will be playing our first game called ABC Race. So I'll have our improvisers go near the audience for this particular segment because we will be answering this question. Because the theme of this year's festival is Rise to the Moment, means showing up. What is something you want to show up for? Pero, it has to start with the letters of the word improv. Okay, yes. We will be going in that order. Kaya ba natin yun? Starting with the letter I. Kaya? Alright. What is something you want to show up for 2026? Starting with the letter I. I. Self.
Inuman.
Inuman.
Intelligent.
Investment.
Intelligent.
Intelligence. Insurance. Intercourse. I love it.
Ingit daw.
Inggit.
Oo. Kung mahilig ka sila, mahal gusto mong pakita ang uwa mo. Ingit.
Alright. Impeachment hearing. Alright. Yes. Letter M. Makbo. Butog na tayo.
Mama.
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 My family.
My family. My spaghetti moments. Mother and Manila Improv Festival.
Okay.
Yes. Letter P. Pilipinas.
Papa.
Papa. Fiesta. With a heartbeat.
People.
People.
Family.
Family.
Part-TV.
Festival with a P. Letter R.
Go lang.
Riot. Romantic.
Rambutan.
Mag-isip ka na sa
Relationship.
Rest.
Ramos Prasidio. Alright. Letter O.
Saan ka daw mag-
Letter O.
Office.
OG.
Office.
Opportunities.
Office daw.
Office. Ovaries. Yes. You have to show up for our ovaries.
Out of the country.
Out of the country.
Outer space.
Outer space. And for our last letter, letter V. Victory. Valentine's Day. Validation. Violence. Baby. Banyo. Alright, palakpakan naman natin ang lahat. Wow. What a great way to warm us up for this, because for the second game that we are playing, we have hired the best spellers in the world. Best spellers, very, very best. Dahil pwede nilang i-spell ang any word that you're going to provide them one letter at a time. And they will use this word, one word at a time, to form a sentence. Now, just to make it a little bit easier, ano ang word na naiisip nyo pag naisip nyo yung improv? Connection. Alright, let's get down to that. Your word is connection.
Connection.
C.
O.
N.
N.
E.
C.
T.
I.
O.
N.
Connection. Aray.
Ko.
Yung
Knuckles
ko
ay
masyadong
matigas.
hindi
Yata.
makakuha
Kuha.
ng
Connection.
sa
Muka.
o
Connection. Alright, pag-practice yung muscles talaga, knuckles. Let's have another improviser on stage, and let's get a word from this side. What is the word that you think of when you hear Rockwell?
proscenium.
Proscenium. Alright, let's go with proscenium.
Proscenium. P. O. S.
C.
E.
Ala.
N.
I.
U. M.
Proscenium.
Whenever
I.
think about,
Rockwell.
I see beautiful garden, wonderful, perfect pint,
And
amazing theater.
this
Is Proscenium. Proscenium.
Alright, let's add one more person up. Let's give them a word that you learned naman in your college days. Sorry? Prerequisite. Prerequisite. Alright, let's give it up for prerequisite.
Prerequisite.
P.
R. E.
Jack.
R. E. Q.
U.
E.
S. I.
T.
E.
Prerequisite.
My
Teacher told
Me.
if
I
was
naughty
and
Failing
I
would
have
to make
a
door
as
a
wave
to
pass the prerequisite.
Sabi nga sa improv, be confident with your choices. So, for this last round, we will need a volunteer from the audience. Okay? So, on the count of 3, kung sino man ang tatayo or sino man ang gusto pumunta sa stage, please, let's go! Ay, dalawa na volunteer. Okay. There you go. So now we will need a very, very difficult word. Na pag ginamit niyo sa mga friends niyo, parang, ay, taray, ganon. What's a word? What's a difficult word?
Epstein files.
Amalgamation. Alright, let's use amalgamation.
amalgamation. A
M A
L
G
A
M wait lang. A
T
I
O
N
amalgamation. Flowers
bloom and
there
are
so
many
amalgamation.
amalgamation.
Alright, give it up for yes, there you go. Thank you so much.
Alright, and for our next game, or our next segment, I'm gonna give Sam a rest because she's going to be playing on this next game. The next game we're gonna be playing is called ABC. So, sino ang mga mahilig sa telenovela dito? Nahiya pa kayo mga yan. So, this is something like that. We're going to be making an on-the-spot telenovela. But what's the ABC at ABC? So, we're going to be using a word. Sige, let's use amalgamation. Amalgamation. Sige, what is the correct spelling? Tama ba yung correct spelling natin? Okay, so from the... Samana.
A
Ang dami-daming kalat dito at ngayon ka pa nagwawalis.
M
Ma, ang kalat mo kasi kumain, ma.
A
Alam ko naman yun, anak. Siyempre, kailangan natin kumain kasi magse-celebrate tayo.
L
Lo? Celebration?
G
Gastusan mo lahat ng gusto mo kasi makukuha mo.
A
I like it.
M
Mama got all the earnings.
T
Talaga. Ang yaman-yaman ko si ma.
I
It's not just that, anak.
O
Oh my God. Is this the inheritance?
N
Nanay, paano naman ako?
A
Andrew, hindi kasi kita totoong anak.
M
Ma, ako yung naglinis ng kalat mo.
A
Ako yung nag-alaga,
L
nag-love sa'yo nung nasa hospital ka.
G
Gosh, pinapahirapan na naman ako mamili.
A
Ang hirap ba, ma?
M M
Bakit tahimik ka ngayon?
A
Oh, ako na ang magkikip ng mana. Kung parehas kayo nag-aaway about
T
Teng!
A I
Ina!
Okay, for answers and JC also for ABC. So now for our last game, we're gonna hit you with some beats. We're going to be playing a game called Bestie Rap. And for that to work, we will need one-syllabic names of your best friends, like Annie. Yeah, so can we get some names from the audience because we will be rapping with these names for this last one. I heard Vaughn.
Albert.
One. Joe. We have Joe. Pat. Cole. Gold. Ink. Paul. Oh, right. we have those names already. So this is going to be a 2v2. We're gonna have Dan, Ansis, Sam on the side. Oh, wait. Sorry. Ansis and Charles and GC.
I'll go on with AUG.
Yes. So the names will be used as rhyming couplets for the other partner to guess a loyal rhyming word. Okay. When you're ready, let's crank up the beat. And let's have Ansis start us off with Vaughn.
I have a friend, his name is Vaughn. Hindi siya daughter, siya ay
I have a friend whose name is Vaughn. Ang short term ng Monday ay
Vaughn. I have a friend, his name is Vaughn. Masyado siya negative, I really don't know sila.
Okay, now we'll keep on with this. We're gonna go with a second name, but I need you to yell it with us. Keep the beat. We're gonna go with Joe. Let's go, JC.
I have a friend whose name is Joe. There is a lot I have to grow.
I have a friend, his name is Joe. Ay, sa mataas. Gusto niya sa
I have a friend whose name is Joe. But my fingers, meron Joe.
I have a friend, his name is Joe. Nagbubu ang
We will go with our last name. Our last name is going to be Pat. Our last name is going to be Pat. Then we'll start. Let's hit the beat.
I have a friend whose name is
Pat.
Ayaw na ng dog, gusto lang niya
Pat.
I have a friend whose name is Pat. Mahilig siya magpinati sa yoga. Pat.
I have a friend whose name is
Pat.
Ang galing niya magsalita, walang binat.
I have a friend whose name is Pat. Pagsakit ang animalize. Pat.
I have a friend whose name is Kung umiinom siya nating nakagkay.
Alright, let's give it up for our folks for Best Hero. Give it up for Jason, Charles, Dan, Ansis, Sam, and we are from
Housekeeping Improv.
Thank you so much. Busy touring the country, touring Metro Manila. Kilala niyo ba kung sino yung special guest natin? May clue. May 3 mics.
Si Mara Mara.
That's a clue. That's a clue. Well, Destiny's Child. Mas mataas sila than Destiny's Child. Because you can ask them about your future, about your very special questions. Everyone, let's give it up for our special guest today, Madam Oracle!
Pare sa elevator guy.
Pati naman natin ang ating mahiwagang magandang oracle at ipapakilala niya po ang kanyang sarili.
Magandang
Araw
sa inyong
lahat.
Ako si
Gina
Carmencita Josefina.
Uy. Magandang araw po, Gina Josefina Uy. Now we are going to open the floor to anybody in the audience na kung saan po kayo curious, kung merong bumabagabag sa inyong kahit ano pong katanungan tungkol sa buhay ninyo, tungkol sa buhay ng katabi ninyo. And Angelica over there is going around and we have a room for a few questions. Huwag po kayong mahiya dahil ito ay once in a lifetime opportunity.
Meron po tayong question dito sa harapan from
Lorenzo po, tanong ko po, ano po ang ulam po natin today?
Ano po ang ulam natin today?
Florencio. Ang ulam natin
Ay
depende sa
Pinanggalingan.
mo. Kung
ang
ikaw ay
Taga
QC, ulam
mo
ay pinakbet.
kung
Ikaw ay
alabang
ulam mo
ay
shoka. Pero
kung
ikaw ay
taga
Makati, Tubig.
At ayan naman po, answering all the pressing questions. Dito po, may question po. Si Laura.
Ano masasabi niyo sa comment ni Suntay?
Nakakapag-init ng ulo. Marami ang maniak. Dumagdag pa siya.
At may question po tayo.
Yes,
There
madam. From Christy.
Madam Oracle, why is the school bus?
The school bus is there because the bus is schooling.
And we have one more question over here at the front.
Ano kung tingin niyo kay Alvin? Kay Alvin.
Ano po ang tingin nyo kay Alvin?
Patrimonyo?
Aragon. Aragon. Aragon.
Aragon.
Nakikita ko ang kanyang aura. Ito ay itim at may baho.
At yun po ang palagay ni Madam kay Alvin. Madam, meron po tayong phone-in question. Ano daw po ang inyong words para sa Manila Improv Festival 2026?
Dear people, you should be there at the Manila Improv Festival because it is the biggest celebration of improv people in Asia and the world. Therefore, we must begin to support it so we will prosper.
Thank you po si Madam Oracle. Make sure to get your tickets to the Manila Improv Festival 2026 para mas makilala pa ninyo si Madam Oracle. And this has been Carl, Chester, Dingdong, myself, Monica, Angelica, Cara, and Pablo of Spit. And we'll see you on March 2026.
Thank you. Another round of applause for Madam Oracle and Monica from Spin.